PC mara jaod bura kata jaod jatend piny Ruto ochako chenro mar manyo yore ma idhi duogo piny kwan magie ma ohiu landruok mag ayaki to kod jogo ma irocho ratechgi e kaunti ma Homa Bay. E romo ma obagi Homa Bay Ruto, gavana ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga, jata tije mar duol makedo kod landruok mag kute mag ayaki Douglas Bosire, kaachiel kod jagoro e migao mar thieth Uma Oluga. Osingo mar tiyo kanyakla neno ni kaunti ma Homa Bay kod moko ma Kaluo oduoko piny landruok mag tuoche kaka ayaki, iye ma ohiu kod lwenje mag kit chwech. Lokruok osebedo, kata kamano kwan mar ji mayudo ayaki Homa Bay odok piny kipimo kod higni ma osekalo.
Came here barely 2-3 decades ago. Almost 1 out of every 3 people you met on the streets was living with the HIV virus. That has been reduced to about 15%. Homa Bay County and the other counties of the Lake region, which were high burden before, are a beacon of hope on how we can end this epidemic.
We want to ensure that all mothers attend antenatal clinics. We are aiming at a figure of 90%. Right now the country is at 58%. We need to move from 58% to 90% of all the pregnant women to go to clinics.
They are 13 years old and you find them without missing. Even if today we said with you, let us walk to 3 of our facilities, maternity wings, I can tell you without fear of contradiction that we will find children.
Because a child who is vulnerable to exploitation does not need our judgment. They need a safe place to return. And again, our ambition must be clear: to end the triple threat by 2027.